Embroidery has never been made this easy. Hello friends, it's me, Rhoda Snyder, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to make a flower, embroidery flower. So I'm going to use a side comb, scissor, thread or rule or yarn, whichever way you may call it. I've counted 8 of them, 8 of the strands. Roll it around 4 times. Then make a knot, tie it twice. After you've tied, cut the edge and let it be smooth like that. I've started with the blue one. The next step is to use the white one. I'm going to use 6 of the strands, rolling it again 4 times. Then make a knot. Again, I'm cutting that. Just repeat the step. The next, I'm going to use the blue again. Now I'm rolling it on 4 strands. And the rounds are 4 rounds. Then you tie and make a knot, then cut. So now that is done, you are going to insert the yarn in the middle and make a knot like I'm doing. I'm tying twice to make it stronger, then cut, then remove it from the side comb. Insert your yarn through the wings or the leaves of the flower, the petals. Is it petals or sepals? Insert it wherever on the place where I'm trying to insert them. Insert it, sorry. You can use a needle to do this. With a needle is much easier. And there I've inserted it. Now pull it on the top part. Let it make that shape. The blue should be seen on the outer part. The middle should be white, and the last part also should be blue. Then make a knot. Tighten the knot, then cut. And here I've done around 5 of them. I'm using a pin. You can use a needle. For me, I'm using a pin to tie the final thread all around it. Make sure the pin passes through all the five mini flowers. And as I've said, a needle is much easier to use, but I'm just using this one, this pin I mean. After you've finished inserting them, cut the edge, the end of the yarn I mean. Then pull the two ends together to form a nice flowered shape. Then make a knot. I'm just trying to insert it on the last part so that the flower may be nice, or may come out looking nice. You can put a pearl in the middle or a bead, but as for mine, I'm just going to leave it like this. And it's that simple, my people. It's very easy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you've enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Comment down below and tell me what you think about it. So you can add a bead or a pearl at the center. As for mine, I'm going to leave it like this, and just like that, guys, it's done. And mine, I'm going to put on wall hanging. You can put it on a cloth, on a tablecloth, or just an embroidered cloth. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for my new videos, for updates. Be updated at all times about my new videos. Bye.